Welcome to Suri Daily English, the podcast, a leading English podcast channel.
Hello. Welcome back to Suri Daily English. I am Suri, and today we have a very special mission.
Oh, hello everyone. I am Alex, and I am sleepy.
Wake up, Alex. Today is going to be amazing. We are going to fix your brain.
My brain? Gah, is it broken? Suri, do I need a doctor? Is my brain falling out?
No, Alex. Your brain is inside your head. It is safe. But tell me the truth. When you speak English, what happens inside your head?
Oh, Suri, it is a disaster. It is like a soup. A very hot, confusing alphabet soup. I try to say good morning, but my brain says the potato is happy.
The potato is happy? Alex, that is very funny, but I understand.
It is not funny for me. Yesterday, I tried to tell a girl, you look beautiful.
Aw, that is sweet. What did you say?
I got nervous. I translated from my language too slowly. I said, your face is expensive.
Expensive? Oh, Alex.
She walked away, Suri. She thought I asked for money.
It's okay, Alex. It's okay. This happens because you're translating. You're thinking in your native language, then changing it to English. It is too slow.
Yes, it is like my brain is an old computer. Beep, boop, buffering, error.
Well, today we stop the buffering. Today, I will teach you how to train your brain to speak English without translating.
Is it magic? Do I need to drink a magic potion? Because I will drink it. I will drink anything.
No magic potion, just technique. Alex, imagine a highway in your head.
I like cars. Vroom, vroom.
Focus, Alex. When you translate, the highway has a traffic jam.
A traffic jam? Who is driving?
Your native language is driving a big, slow truck, and English is a little sports car behind the truck. The English car wants to go fast, vroom, but...
The truck is blocking the road. Stupid truck.
Exactly. When you see a cat, your brain first thinks of the word in your language, then you search for the English word, then you check the grammar, then you check the pronunciation.
And by the time I finish, the cat has died of old age.
A little dramatic, but yes, that is the problem. You are working too hard.
I am working very hard. Look, I am sweating.
We need to clear the road. We want your brain to see the cat and immediately scream, cat. No translation. Direct connection.
But Suri, my brain is lazy. It likes the truck. The truck has comfortable seats and snacks.
Then we must train the brain. It's like going to the gym.
The gym? I have to lift weights? Suri, I have very weak arms, Suri. Look, like spaghetti.
Not muscle gym, brain gym. We will play 3 games today to fix this.
Wait, before the games, Suri, we must ask them.
Ask them what?
The viewers, friends, please whisper, subscribe to the channel.
Yes, please subscribe.
If you subscribe, Suri will be happy. If Suri is happy, she will not give me homework. Please save me from the homework. Also, I need to buy coffee. English makes me tired.
Nice try, Alex. You are still getting homework. But yes, please like and subscribe so we can make more videos. All right, are you ready for game number 1?
I was born ready. Actually, no. I was born crying. But now I am ready.
This game is called Naming the World.
Naming the world? Like, I name this planet Planet Alex?
No, look around you right now in this room.
Okay. I see things.
Don't translate. Look at an object and say the English word immediately. Go.
Uh, uh, wall.
Good. Faster.
Table.
Yes, keep going.
Uh, light sun.
Light sun? You mean lamp, right?
Yes, lamp. It is a mini sun.
Okay, let's practice that. Listeners, repeat with us. This is the ping-pong technique. I say it, you say it. Alex, ready?
Ready.
Lamp.
Lamp. Lamp. Lamp.
Perfect. Now try again. Look at something else.
Waterhouse.
Waterhouse. Alex, that is a bottle.
But the water lives inside. It is the house for the water.
Alex, stop being a poet. It is a bottle. Say it.
Bottle, bottle, bottle.
Excellent. Listeners, do this every day. Walk around your house, point and say chair, phone, window. Do not let your brain translate. Just point and shoot.
Okay, I will try. Teacher.
Correct.
Legend.
Okay, let's move to game number 2.
You know it is true.
Game 2 is keep it simple, stupid.
Suri, did you call me stupid? Oh, my heart is broken.
No, it's an expression. It means K-I-S-S. Keep it simple, silly.
Oh, kiss. I like kissing.
Focus, Alex. The problem is you try to make complex sentences. You're a baby in English. Babies do not discuss politics. Babies say, milk now.
Milk now. I want milk now.
Exactly. So make a sentence. Subject, verb. That's all.
Uh, I, uh, I am currently contemplating the existential dread of the universe and,
Stop. Too much. Reset. Subject, verb.
uh, I think.
Good. Another one.
I sit.
Perfect.
I hunger.
I am hungry, but close enough. You see, when you use small sentences, your brain doesn't have time to translate.
But, Suri, I want to sound smart. I want to sound like James Bond. My name is Bond. James Bond.
You will get there, Alex, but James Bond learned the ABCs first. Start small, connect the blocks. I go, then I go to the shop, then I go to the shop quickly.
I understand. Build the sandwich. Bread first, then meat, then cheese.
Yes, don't try to eat the whole cow at once.
You are funny today, Suri. Eat the cow. Moo!
Okay, are you ready for the final game? Game number 3?
Is it dangerous?
This is called narrating your life.
Narrating? Like a movie voice? In a world where Alex is confused.
Yes, exactly like that. When you're alone, describe what you're doing. Talk to yourself.
Suri, if I talk to myself on the bus, people will think I'm crazy. They will call the police.
Do it in your head or do it when you're alone in the shower.
Oh, the shower concert. I love singing in the shower.
Don't sing, speak. Say what you're doing. I am washing my hair. I'm opening the soap. The water is hot.
Okay, let me try right now. I am sitting on a chair. I am holding a cup. I am looking at Suri. Suri is smiling.
Yes, that's it. Was that hard?
No, it was easy because I didn't have to think about grammar. I just said what I saw.
Exactly. You're bypassing the translation truck. You're creating a direct link between the action and the English.
I can do this. I am breathing. I am blinking. I am scratching my nose. I am wishing for pizza.
Okay, slow down. But yes, that's the spirit. Alex, listen to me. This is important.
I am listening with my big ears.
You feel nervous because you don't want to make mistakes. You want to be perfect.
Yes, I hate mistakes. When I make a mistake, I feel small, like an ant.
But Alex, do you remember when you were a real baby?
No, my memory is not that good.
Well, when a baby learns to walk, they fall down. Boom. Do they cry and stop walking forever?
No, if they stopped, we would all be crawling to work right now. Imagine crawling to the office.
Exactly. They laugh, they stand up, and they try again. English is the same. Your brain needs to fall down to learn how to stand up.
So, mistakes are good?
Mistakes are necessary. Every time you make a mistake, your brain learns. Oh, not that way. This way.
So, when I said your face is expensive, I was learning?
Yes, you learned that expensive and beautiful are different, and you will never forget it.
You are right. I will never forget that. It is burned into my memory.
So be kind to yourself. Train your brain gently. Play the games. Point at things. Use short sentences. Narrate your life.
I feel strong, Suri. I feel like I can speak English.
You can, Alex.
I am looking at the camera. I am talking to the friends. I am waving my hand. Look, I am narrating.
Good job. Okay, friends, here is your challenge for today.
A challenge? Is it a duel? Swords?
No swords. I want you to look around your room right now. Find 3 things.
Only 3? Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Find 3 things and name them in English out loud. Do not translate. Just say the word.
And tell us in the comments what you found. I want to know what is in your room. Do you have a cat? A dinosaur? Tell me.
Please tell us if you have a dinosaur. Thank you for watching Suri Daily English.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need my coffee.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye. I am leaving now.
Just go, Alex.